Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add GIF in Filmora application. To add a GIF using the Filmora application from your mobile device, the first thing to do is to open the Filmora app from your app drawer. Once you open up the Filmora app, click on the plus button in blue at the bottom of the screen to start up a new project. Go ahead and select a GIF file from your gallery. Tap on it and then click on the import button at the bottom right to import the GIF to your timeline. Now you have added the GIF to your timeline successfully. Tap the GIF frame and then drag the edges to increase or reduce the duration of the GIF. You can also use effects by selecting the effects option from the bottom menu. After you select effect, click on add. Choose the effects from the categories displayed on the screen and select one of the effects you'd like to apply to the GIF. After selecting the effect, click on the tick mark at the top right to apply the effect to your GIF. You can also add text, stickers, music and more effects if needed. And there you have it. You have successfully added GIF in Filmora application. You can now export your video like you normally do by clicking the export button at the top right and selecting one of the exports option. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.